Hello Scentsy fans, it's Alexandra Wickfree, Superstar Director. It's a Scentsy product review. Please like the video and why not subscribe to the channel. So we are reviewing a new mini warmer from our 2020 Spring Summer Catalogue, which goes on or went on sale on the 1st of February. We have moved our catalogue dates, so this warmer will only be on sale until the end of July. This is called Radiate Positivity. It's a perfect gift for somebody that you want to cheer up. You want to say, wow, you are a positivity Pete. Or it's perfect for your own space. I love to put these type of warmers in my kitchen by my kettle. So every morning when I get up, I get an instant positivity message. You might be looking at this warmer and thinking, that doesn't look particularly nice. Wait till we switch it on. How adorable is that? It's made really simply, one piece of porcelain, lit from inside with a 15 watt Scentsy bulb. Pop a cube of Scentsy wax on the top and leave it to work. But with these warmers, in 2019, we also introduced our, and I hope I can get my stand to do this, tabletop warmers. So let's have a look. Yay! Here we go. This is a Queen Pineapple mini warmer that used to be up where the Radiate Positivity one was, but we've now put it on our amazing tabletop stands. So tabletop stands and a warmer cover are €44. Perfect for desks and small spaces. And if you want this mini warmer, what we call a plug-in for the walls, this is €29. What I love is you can take the warmer covers you've had in your walls forever and a day, and you can adapt them and give them new life on our tabletop stands. You'll find links in the box below to everything I've talked about in this video and to our 2020 Spring Summer Catalogue. If you want to get our special Scentsy offers, please subscribe to our special newsletter. It comes out twice a month and it will give you sales offers and ideas on how you can get trends in your home with Scentsy products. Because you'll probably notice I've put this with some of my my birds of paradise, and this is a beautiful beaded bird that we got when we were on a Scentsy trip in Mexico. So these are home decor products. You can make Scentsy really part of your home, and it smells amazing. So that's it from me. Like the video, subscribe to the channel. Bye for now.